Ever found yourself in a Grab ride, ready to pay, only to realize your GrabPay balance is zero? Or maybe you're just more comfortable paying with cash. It's happened to the best of us. And while GrabPay is super convenient most of the time, sometimes cash is king. So, if you've ever wondered how to switch from GrabPay to cash, or just want to have that option available, you're in the right place. Because in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to change your GrabPay payment method to cash. It's a lot simpler than you might think, and I'll show you step by step, right here on my phone. Now, before we jump in, a quick word about why this is so useful. Think about it. You might be in an area with spotty internet, making topping up GrabPay difficult. Or maybe you're trying to stick to a budget and prefer using cash. Having the flexibility to switch payment methods is a real game changer. It puts you in control and makes your Grab experience smoother and more convenient. No more scrambling for change or stressing about your GrabPay balance. Okay, let's get down to business. First things first, open your Grab app. Make sure you're logged in, of course. Now, you don't actually change the payment method during a ride. You set it up beforehand. So, you can do this anytime, even before you book a ride. Look at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a few icons. You're looking for the one that usually looks like a wallet, or sometimes it might say payment. Tap on that. This will take you to your GrabPay wallet or payment settings. Now, you'll see your current payment method displayed. It's probably GrabPay right now. Don't worry, we're about to change that. Look for an option that says something like Manage Payment Methods or Add Payment Method. The wording might be slightly different depending on your app version, but it should be pretty straightforward. Tap on that. Here, you'll see a list of all the payment options available to you. You should see GrabPay, of course, and hopefully, you'll see cash as an option. If you don't see cash, don't panic. Sometimes, it's hidden under More Payment Methods or a similar option. Tap on that, and you should definitely find it there. Once you find cash, simply select it. That's it. You've now set cash as your preferred payment method. It's that easy. Now, when you book a ride, the app will automatically default to cash. Now, here's a pro tip. You can actually toggle between payment methods even when you're booking a ride. Before you confirm your booking, take a look at the bottom of the screen. You should see the selected payment method. You can usually tap on it right there and change it if you need to. So, if you usually use cash but want to use GrabPay for a particular ride, you can easily do that. So, there you have it. Changing your GrabPay payment method to cash is quick, easy, and gives you a lot more flexibility. Knowing this little trick can save you a lot of hassle and make your Grab experience much smoother. With said, thanks for watching and until next time.